That sliver of good news we've been aching for since COVID-19 forever changed our lives is finally here. Today, drug maker Pfizer is making a major announcement promising results from its coronavirus vaccine trials. We're talking a lot of good news here, as it's nearly as effective as the smallpox vaccine. COVID-19 specialist Amanda Decker takes a look at the fine print and tells us when we might be able to get our hands on the coronavirus vaccine.
Pfizer says its COVID-19 vaccine is about 90% effective against the virus, and that's about the same effectiveness level as with the current smallpox vaccine available today. On the news, stocks were booming as the world waits to see what this vaccine rollout will look like. Here's what we know so far. Pfizer believes it could have 50 million doses of the vaccine distributed by the end of the year. Those will go to healthcare and frontline workers, including nursing home and long-term care staff. The most vulnerable populations, those with severe underlying conditions and the elderly, will be prioritized next. By the end of 2021, Pfizer believes it can produce about as many as 1.3 billion doses for distribution. The average American may be able to get this vaccine in early to late spring, so mask wearing and social distancing will likely be part of life until at least then. Here's what we don't know. There's no word yet on how this vaccine works at preventing asymptomatic cases or severe cases of COVID-19. And it'll be about 2 more weeks before Pfizer receives that final regulatory approval. That's when countries can then begin their vaccination campaigns. There's one huge logistical challenge with this Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. It has to be kept in temperatures of negative 112 degrees Fahrenheit. So countries right now are scrambling to figure out how they're going to make that work. And Pfizer also promising to make this vaccine free for everyone. I'm COVID-19 specialist Amanda Decker reporting.